This is the microplate reader, and we can use microplate reader to check the absorbance value of a particular solution or a sample. In order to check the absorbance value, we have to use these cuvettes. Always we need to handle this with care. Today we are going to check the absorbance values of blood serum samples, and there we check the beta hydroxybutyric acid concentration in a particular blood serum sample. This is the procedure. Before checking the absorbance value of a particular sample, we need to make sure that we get accurate values for the blank sample and the standard sample. In order to check the absorbance values, always we need to use accurate and precise micropipettes. And these are the pipette tips that we use. They are sterilized pipette tips. This is the assay kit that we use to measure the BHBA concentration in blood serum samples. According to the procedure, we need to add 3 milliliters of buffer solution into each glass tube. Now let's add 3 milliliters of the buffer solution. To check the absorbance of blank sample, we need to add 75 microliters of distilled water into the buffer solution. To mix the blank sample well, the distilled water and the buffer solution, we need to mix it using a vortex. Here you can see this is the vortex. For about 5 seconds we are going to mix it very well. To check the absorbance of the blank sample, we need to add few drops of the working solution which was in this glass tube into the cuvette, and we have to thoroughly wash the cuvette like this. Then we can add the whole amount again to the cuvette. It should be around 1/3 of the cuvette, and then we can insert this after cleaning the outer surfaces of the cuvette using a tissue paper, and then we can get the absorbance value from the micropipette reader. In some assays, it may develop color, but in this assay, this doesn't develop any color. So we always have to fill the cuvettes with 1/3 of the volume of the cuvette. Then we need to insert this cuvette using the rough surfaces of the cuvette into the microplate reader. Then we have to read the absorbance value. We need to check whether the temperature is correct and also the wavelength. So according to the BHBA assay procedure, you can see that in order to calculate this manually, we need to have the absorbance value in the first minute, second minute and the third minute. So we have to use a stopwatch, and we have to get the absorbance value in each time. So by taking, we can calculate the amount of BHBA which is present in the blood serum sample according to this calculation.